In this video, I'm going to teach you how to equip the Karblox leg in Roblox. In order to do that, first head over and then locate it into the actual Roblox marketplace. So I have in here my Roblox that speaker right leg. So as you have noticed right now, it's created by Roblox and this item is currently not for sale. It's also not tradable, and on the type, if you want to equip it, you can actually just select it as a right leg accessory. Now, as I can see, it's already created 12 years ago and it's not for sale right now. You can actually just click on this try on option in order to see how it looks like on their actual avatar. So this is what it looks like on my avatar. You can select the 3D option as well as the 2D option in order to see what it would look like. So here is what it looks like right here. This is the right leg, and as you can see, it's actually quite piratey look right there. And if you have it on your inventory, you can actually just customize or equip it yourself. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you.